How to change Amazon password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can change our Amazon password, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to change your Amazon password, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Amazon shopping application here. And maybe once you launch the Amazon shopping app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where if you want to change the password, you have to tap on the little profile like icon from the bottom, and then from here on you can just see the option called your account from the very top of the screen. Once you actually go to the your account from the very top of the screen, over here you'll find an option called account settings, and you'll find the option called login and security, so make sure to tap on that option. And now once you tap the login and security option over here, you should be able to see all this sorts of interface. Now from here onwards, what you basically need to do is here you'll find the option called password. So now you can tap the edit button next to password. First of all, make sure to enter your current password. Then after that you can enter the new password, re-enter the new password to confirm, tap on save changes, and then your Amazon password will get successfully changed. This way you can change the Amazon password. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.